Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a painting color gun. I saw a couple of videos and then after I decide I should buy this painting color gun because of I want color this one. In the same video I will provide you demonstration as well how we put it the color in this particular gun and how we use. So now let's start as a demonstration. The painting color gun price is just only 275 Danish krona. I'm purchasing this one from Temu website, so return guarantee is also available. I don't like, so I can return this one. Boom. Look at this, the gun, 400 volt spray gun. Okay, part 1, part 2, this is important, and as usual this is a magic booklet. I have no idea how to fix this one, so definitely then I use magic booklet. First time I use magic booklet. This is a color box. You should put it here 700 ml. So yeah, you can maybe easily put it half kilogram color here. You can fix this one here like this. This one you can take color from the bottom, this one, using this one, and just fix this one, and that's it. Now next point come here. They are providing this 2-1 for the pressure, the large and small. After that you can fix this one like this. Now this one is fixed. So you can fix properly. Here the one grip is available. You just simply fix like this and press, and that's it. Now the gun is ready. If you press here, the button is automatically doing this one. This one they are providing because of here you can fix here properly the button location, and this one you can use 2 fingers and then very easily do the color like this. So this is a simple one. You can add here color using this one. So this is an unboxing. Now rest of video we will see how to put it the color and how we use. Look at this, the final outcome of the gun. Perfect output. Entire room we are using this gun and do the color. If you purchase this gun and you want paint or you want things, you can do the paint in your wall. So this gun is not good if you are doing paint in, especially in cloud, some cloud related stuff. So this gun is perfectly fine and saving much more time if you are doing just only cloud. The quality of painting not good, but not so bad.